McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle. McDonnell Douglas's F-15E Strike Eagle, now integrated with Boeing, is an American all-weather multirole fighter aircraft less than ref greater than Boeing F-15E Strike Eagle. Boeing Defense, Space and Security. The Boeing Company. Retrieved the 18th of January 2015. Less than ref greater than comes from a McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The F-15E was designed in the 1980s for long-range, high-speed interdiction without an escort or electronic warfare aircraft. The United States Air Force USAF F-15E Fighter is generally distinguished from other U.S. Eagle variants by its darker fuselage camouflage, conformal fuel tanks CFTs mounted along the engine inlet, although CFTs can also be mounted on previous F-15 variant, with tandem seat cockpit configuration. Two Pilot Special Cockpit Strike Eagle aircraft have been deployed for military operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, Syria, and Libya, among others. During these operations, the fighter aircraft have carried out deep strikes against high-value targets and air patrol fighters, and have provided close air support for Allied forces. Even this plane has been exported to Indonesia, several countries. Introduced by the USAF to replace its fleet of McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom IIs. Unlike the F-4, the F-15 was designed for air superiority missions with little consideration for the ground attack role. The F-15 Special Projects Office opposed the idea of the F-15 performing interdiction missions, giving rise to the phrase, "not a pound for air-to-ground." 6 F-15 currently in service, the F-15 has become a successful fighter, scoring more than 100 aerial victories and 0 losses in air-to-air combat in 2007. Davies and Dildy 2007, despite the lack of official interest, McDonnell Douglas was quietly working on the F-15 derived interdictor fighter. The company envisions the aircraft as a replacement for the General Dynamics F-111 and remaining F-4, as well as to add to the existing F-15. Less than ref greater than Donald 1995, page 40. In 1978, the USAF initiated the Tactical All-Weather Requirement Study, which looked at the McDonnell Douglas proposal and other options such as further purchases of the F-111F. The study recommended the F-15E as the USAF's future strike platform. 7. In 1979, McDonnell Douglas and Hughes began close cooperation on the development of the F-15E's air-to-ground capability. Davies 2003. To assist in the development of the F-15E, McDonnell Douglas modified a second TF-15A prototype with serial number 710291, which was used for the demonstration aircraft. The aircraft, known as the Advanced Fighter Capability Demonstrator, was first flown on July 8, 1980. It was previously used to test conformal fuel tanks CFTs, originally designed for the F-15 under Fast Pack requirements, with the FAST abbreviation for material burn and sensor tactical. It was later fitted with paved tack, laser marker, targeting pod to allow delivery of independently guided bombs. Jenkins 1997, demonstrator shown at Farnborough Airshow 1980.